Hi guys, and today I'm here with a video on how or where you can buy a ghost deck. I like how I said that. I mean deck. Like a really nice deck. Like guys, please go and check out. Really nice. One of my favourite decks. Not my favourite, but one of them. And I'll give you a little hint, I will be making a new review on a limited edition deck. So that's my only thing. And I might do an unboxing on it, maybe. So, this is where you can buy them, and how much they are. So, where you buy them? eBay. Very simple. You go into eBay. eBay have a large range of decks, really nice decks as well. Search up a particular deck, Artifice maybe, or a Ghost deck, really nice deck actually. One of my favourite decks are the Ghost deck. Don't know why I just thought, but yeah. And how much they are is, I think in America, I don't know if, I'm not sure if I'm right in America, but it's $4. In England it's £3.50. Fairly cheap for a ghost set. Like if you and there's another website, Illusionist. Go there if you want the deck as well. Or Amazon. Amazon is good as well. I think the best one out of all of them is eBay, because Illusionist costs a lot of money as well, and Amazon costs a lot of money. So I'd go to eBay. eBay is the best for it, because well, if you eBay, you can get whatever you want. Like, come on, you can get anything. Really simple website. You need a PayPal account for it. And yeah, so this is where I got my deck, eBay. It's a really cool website. Yeah, so if you enjoyed it, rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye.